Alright, so today is the day or 2 days after the dyno event, and 2 days after we had some issues with the Jeep, and this is how it looks now. So handy dandy Steve over here
broken.
Got to work on it. Pretty much let it all down. And where's the broken parts at, Steve? No, didn't you have them in your hand? You put in the back?
No, just tech welded.
Oh, okay. So yeah, this was completely off. You can see where it snapped all right here to shit.
Previously, you can solid
Yeah.
the inside. It's missing a piece.
Yeah.
This one you can really see.
Oh yeah.
So
pretty much they both broke off at the dunes after the second time that Steve was trying to get up. After Steve was trying to get up on that little mound that you see in the video. Oh yeah, so this is where progress is at now, and we're just gonna keep working from here. So much, it was complete for one day.
Not even a day.
Not even a full day. It was a good 4 or 5 hours that it was complete. It's okay. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna make it better. Well, we're gonna get to see what we can do.
Deep penetration.
Yeah, lots of welding looks like. You think that'll do?
Or something, because I mean,
Something around there, yeah.
Because
Those are the 3/8 pleats.
It's only so much because this has to be able to go this.
I think we can get away with the quarter inch plate.
Quarter inch?
Yeah, I have quarter inch at school. Those are 3/8. You're gonna chop off from there? No, those are 3/8 as well.
Alright.
Yeah, that might actually be half inch.
Oh, there you go.
No, I need on quarter inch.
Oh.
Thinner than the 3/8.
I think that's good enough.
He's not good at math.
No,
Yeah, I'm just saying thinner so it's not as bulky, and it's still very. You can get a shit ton of penetration on them. They're still super strong. It's carbonated fucking steel.
So the master welder here doing his work. The frame shackle mount ripped off. Reinforcing it. Really good. Point is, that shit ain't coming off.
So I just finished welding the shackles up front. It was kind of a pain in the dick for some reason with the rubber grommets. It just wasn't letting me, when it would spark a fire and then I wouldn't be able to weld good. But we were able to successfully get the plate for support. This one right here, welded on the inside, on the bottom, on both outsides. Some of it on the inside it was sloppy because I couldn't see shit. Welded at the bottom side right here, and I mean, this is what I was talking about. See, I got all this fucking bubble gum and peanuts and shit. For some reason, whenever it starts to fire, it starts kicking back the fucking wire. I'm not sure why. I haven't had that issue before. But I work with clean metal mostly, so that's going. All right, so like I was saying, I don't know why it was doing that. I haven't had that issue. Like I was saying, the paint was also fucking me up, but I got to doing, small circles, just going back into the pool, bringing it out little by little, and that helped get it really smooth. On the other side, there was a really big gap right here, so I just laid down pretty much as much metal as I could. I got some of the inside where there was porosity, welded that. Some more porosity over here, just pretty much gave it some fat tacks, and then welded an extra little piece right here. So yeah, welded this on for support, hit it with the hammer, it ain't going nowhere. Some quality assurance right there, just for a little bit of support in case something down here breaks off, it can be held on up here. But yeah, we couldn't do the same thing that we did on the other side because the power steering shit's right here. So did as much as we could. We're pretty much gonna try to throw it back together and we're actually gonna weld the bolt because the bolt actually broke off. Where's the bolt at?
Bolt?
Yeah, the one that's broken.
No, I cut it off.
Oh, you cut it off?
Yeah.
Why'd you cut it off?
Because it's stripped.
So it was stripped, so you cut it off and said, fuck it, we'll just weld it back on.
Well, actually, I was...
So then, yeah, so he actually cut this off, but because...
It stopped, and then I had...
Yeah, it stopped, and then when he was turning it, it was stripping it.
I was
so
using the jack handle.
Just decided, cut it off, weld it back on later, no big deal.
Yeah.
And then if we need to take it off, cut it off again.
Yeah.
Pretty much how shit gets done here. But yeah, we might even test it today. We'll see.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go fishing anyways, right?
Oh yeah, well he did let me down last time we were supposed to go fishing.
I'm gonna go fishing tonight. And
Yeah.
this?
We'll see. We'll see if we go fishing.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're pretty much, done. We just put the leaf springs on. Ah, fuck, it's still hot. We just put the shackles on, welded this on. That's the one that was broken. Put the leaf springs on, both of them. Boom, just need to get tightened. Right here, right here, right here, and that's welded, so there's that. Put the struts on. He already put the other one on right there. Tighten everything pretty much, and put the wheels on, and we're done.
This one is gonna be fun though.
And it's ready to go. Son of a bitch! Would you just look at it?
That's beautiful.
Yep.
Huh, these are greasable. Should probably grease them when I get the chance.
Alright, Steve, it's that time, buddy. See it come down.
Oh, look, it was working out. Like the suspension set. I think that's good.
All set. Whew. Nice job, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Actually looks pretty naked without the bumper.
Yeah, kind of don't like it.
Because it's right there. Nice light pods, bro. They're really working out there.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. Quick release.
Quick release. Getting the bumper back on now. Oh, how's that going for you?
Very tight.
But you always said you like it tight, right?
Yeah, I do.
Like a tight dick.
Look at the edges of the bar.
Oh, sharp as shit. Oh, so are we gonna weld that on or what?
Nah.
Pussy.
I want my stinger.
I'll give you a stinger right here. You're gonna ugga the top ones?
Oh yeah. Oh. We're good.
Bitch ain't going nowhere.
I can rent people now. Wow. I broke it on Sunday, fixed on the Tuesday.
Fixed on a Tuesday.
Going up on the Tuesday.
Good to fucking go.